Hi, in this video, we are going to practice on cubic models and system of linear equations. Now, you might want to screenshot this page and also this page because I'm going to explain things in 3, 2, 1. On the first part, we need to find the height of the souvenir tower in centimeter because we have a real measurement and also a scaled measurement. And then note that the glass pyramid has 10% larger than the model. So now we need to find the height of the model, in which we divide the unknown with the known variable, in which we want to find the height of the scaled model. So we divide 830 meters with 556 meters, and then we multiply that with 20 centimeter because 20 centimeter represents the 556 meter. So using GDC, we will get 29.9 centimeters to 3 significant figures. Now we can find the volume of the glass pyramid. So now we can use the pyramid formula, in which the area base multiplied by height and multiplied with 1/3. But then we need to multiply with 110% because the base area is increased and so does the height dimension. So we give 110% to each of the measurement. And now we use GDC and we need to round that into the nearest centimeter. So we got 5306 centimeter cubed. With the details of quantity and profits, now we're moving on that we need into finding the cubic model. So the first part is explaining why D is 0. Okay, as I have told you on the previous videos, the last constant of a polynomial represents the y-intercept or the initial. So logically, it means that the x or the order is 0. So no souvenirs to sell. So that's why the D is 0. C. Now we need to construct the 3 linear equations and solve for ABC. We have the other 3 points, right? In which when x is 5,000, 10,000, and 13,000. So we input that into the cubic models. A is with A's, B is with B's, C is with C's. So now we can just put them on the matrix, or you can use polynomial simultaneous solver. So I use matrix and I get that these are the coefficients for A, B, and C. So this is my final answer. You can also write your final answer in 3 significant figures for each of the coefficient A, B, and C. For more tutoring and IB math revision, you can comment down below and click link on the description.